Hello YouTube, thought we'd do a quick video here. Some good news, they came out with a waterproof speaker microphone for the Retevis RT97S model. Remember, it's got to be the S model because that has the data port. So I'll post a link to the website, to Retevis Solutions website, where you can order this. It's $23. It's on sale. Free shipping. Yes, it's going to come from China, so it's going to take a couple weeks to get it. But I just want to point this out. Also, too, it looks like if you buy, and like I said, I'll post this link in the description here. This is for the Retevis RT97S. So make sure you got the S model. This will not work on the regular RT97. It does not have the data port. And what I mean by that is, if you look at the microphone here, we'll click on this, it plugs into the data port. So you got to have the S model. So, and you can tell by looking at yours, do you have a data port or not? But if you order from this day forward the Retevis RT97S, it will come with the microphone. If you scroll down here, and I think the reason why it says -6 is because it's supposed to be like 6% off. So I think that's why it's being goofy. But I think it comes with a microphone. So if you're not sure, you can always email them. I will put the link for this also in the description, along with the link with the email address. You can email them. And if you notice, if you buy not the bundle package, but the repeater, if you use this coupon, you'll save $100 off that. Yeah. So, and the coupon, let me get my fancy little pen right here. Right here. You got to type in exactly the way you see it as you check out. So that's for the, not the repeater only, not the bundle. So, there's that option too. So, and again, this is the same website. So if you order this, it's going to take a few weeks to get it. Free shipping. So you're going to have to wait a couple weeks, to come in from China. So, but it's kind of cool. They got a speaker microphone now you can hook up to it, so you can turn it into a base station. So I think that's really cool, and it's waterproof. If I didn't mention that, the handheld speaker microphone is waterproof, so it makes the repeater into a base station along as with the repeater. So I think that's pretty cool. So, and that's not a bad price, $23.39, free shipping. That's not bad. So, at any rate, if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day.